Okay, I wanted to show you this absolutely incredible Black Friday tool deal here at Lowe's. That I showed this as a thumbnail on one of my videos and didn't show the whole 9-drawer workstation here, and people got mad at me because they were like, Jeff, that thing's cool, what is that? So this right here is the CRAFTSMAN 63-inch wide Patriotic 9-drawer workstation, and it just looks so cool. So it has the flag, kind of like a broad stroke rough brush painting on it. Looks really cool, and a lot of guys were commenting on this. So this is from their S2000 series right here, and it's the corrugated type. See if I can move it out of them. So I see they changed the design on these. You can see it better on the red one next to it, how it kind of goes in and out. You know, it's corrugated. And what they did here, these are, as you can tell, soft close. Let's see, yep, soft close drawers, and they have different sizes. It gets deeper as you go down. This one here looks to be about 6 inches deep, so you can put your sawzalls and stuff in there, and you got several of them at that depth. But then over here on the right, you got this real deep one here. You could put like circular saws and other really big tools, and maybe giant tool bags and stuff back in there. Soft close. And let me see if it has any of the outlet strip on it on the side. I think it does, because I see the, hang on. So there's your outlet strip right there. It's got USB and your plugs right there. So it pretty much has everything you need. And I love this wooden top here on this as well. This is just incredible. So she's a beauty for sure. But you know what's even more patriotic about this rolling workstation here, folks, from CRAFTSMAN, is the price. How patriotic is that, man? Look at that, huh? About $400 off. So I'll put a link to this down in the video description below, because this is not in every store for sure. But if you want to order one of these, the link is down below. That's an affiliate link that we'll get paid for if you buy something through there. They just pay us a few bucks, a couple of %. But hey, every little bit helps, and we thank you for supporting our channel that way. And if I can get it to show up on the View Products button on the lower left here as well of your screen, I'll put it there as well. Sometimes they'll show up, sometimes they won't. And while I'm at it, in case that was a little rich for your blood, I might add this one on here for you. And this one's only good until like December 2nd, I think. Yeah, and good while supplies last. So this is the smaller Kobalt one. This is a 9-drawer, 46-inch wide, not as wide as the other one. But look at this though, man. $200 off of this right here, down to $298. So this one's just about half the price of that other one over there, and almost as substantial, right? You would agree on that. So they have all different ones that you can get here. So I'll put the links to both of these down below for you. All right, so that's it. And make sure you check out our other videos here that we did covering all of the Black Friday sales. And happy shopping, folks.